a parent who comes from an average or a poor background, make sure when you talk to them, you adjust the level of your English speaking vocabulary. Hello everyone, my name is Majubi and I welcome you all back to this channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to use our vocabulary wisely. Okay, and before we start with this video, I would request all of you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon as well. Give it a like if you like this video. Okay, so according to me, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is the wealth or the treasure that we have stored in our mind somewhere, right? It took for us nearly 2 to 3 years to work on our vocabulary, or not only 2 to 3 years. It would have taken nearly our 10 to 15, 20 years if we have started to learn this language since then, right? So yes, it is a treasure that we have stored somewhere in our brain, and it is something which is very, very valuable, right? So how to use it wisely? But there can be people who would have struggled to use their vocabulary, and I am also one of them. Even I struggle sometimes to use vocabulary. I need to judge at some places where I should speak which word. Okay, for example, there's a simple word like scold, okay, and there can be other synonyms for the word scold. It can be reprimand, it can be censure, it can be castigate, right? So these are the synonyms that we can use for the word scold, but I should choose wisely, right? I should choose wisely where to use what. For example, if I am a teacher teaching in a school and I have to take a chapter or I have to take a lesson where I need to tell children where somebody had scolded someone, so at that place I can give the synonyms for the word scold 3 or 4, okay? So at that place I can use my vocabulary, but the same vocabulary, for example, if I have used the example of scold, let me tell you with that same example itself, if I have visited a shop, okay, there if something happens, I cannot use the word reprimand, right? So we need to choose to see where we are at a place, and at that depending upon the situation we should use our vocabulary, right? For example, as I said, as a teacher I can use in class, I can use it at the airport, right? So make sure when you are at a restaurant talking to a waiter, or when you have visited a small shop talking to a shopkeeper, or with a parent who comes from an average or a poor background, make sure when you talk to them, you adjust the level of your English speaking vocabulary. Okay, so choose wisely. It is like I had some nearly 1,000 rupees in my hand, and somebody gave me and said that use it. Okay, that 1,000 rupees doesn't mean that I will be spending just like that anywhere, right? Just because I have got that 1,000 or 10,000, whatever the amount I have got, right? I need to choose wisely, right? I need to spend it wisely. So that's where I have shown the smartness of being a speaker. Choosing that is a very wise thing, right? It's called the wisdom. Okay, so make sure you choose the right word at the right place. Okay, I am not telling you not to use advanced vocabularies. Do not get me wrong. Okay, it's all about, this channel is all about learning vocabulary, grammar and other stuffs, right? I'm not telling you not to use them. Please use them, but make sure wherever you are using vocabulary according to the standard. Okay, so please give it a like and subscribe to my channel before leaving. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.